Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to change font color in Excel. So first you need to click on the cell or highlight the range of the cells containing the text you want to change, and then click on the Home tab and then locate the font group and click the small drop down arrow next to the font color. So now select a color from the palette. You can choose from theme color or standard color, whatever your choice is. I'll be selecting red or dark red. And here you can see that if you have a sentence in a cell and only you want to highlight a single word or character, you can edit it directly. For this you need to double click the cell to enter the edit mode. And now use your mouse to highlight only the specific text like this one and go to the home and click on this color, font color, and choose the color of your choice like this one. Moreover, if you prefer keeping your hands on the keyboard, you can access the font color menu using sequential Alt keys. For this, you need to press the Alt HFC. It will be open the font color drop down. Use your arrow keys to navigate the color palette and press enter. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can change font color in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.